The HKUST Career Center has published a set of guidelines for our non-local students who are interested to work in Hong Kong. Let me show you where and how to find out more. First, go to the Career Center website and click Resources. Then click Non-Local Students Working in Hong Kong Guideline for Students. According to the Immigration Department of the Hong Kong government, non-local students are allowed to take up employment in Hong Kong during and after the study program. Click Employment during the study program. You will find more information pertaining to part-time on-campus employment, summer employment, as well as internship during your studies here at HKUST. On the Rules, Procedures, and Internal Forms page, Career Center has archived important forms and guidelines which you might find helpful. For employment after graduating from HKUST, click Employment after the completion of studies. Here, you can find out more about the Immigration Arrangements for Non-Local Graduate Scheme, or otherwise known as IANG, the IANG scheme, to learn more about the rules and regulations for working in Hong Kong after your graduation. In case if you have questions, click on our FAQ page to check out the commonly asked questions. For further inquiries, you can go to the Enquiry Hotline and Further Information page to find the contacts of the Immigration Department. You're also welcomed to schedule an appointment with one of our career advisors who can guide you through the process. Now you know where you can find out more information about non-local students working in Hong Kong.